Alright, this is a 1 kVA modified sine wave inverter board, which is faulty. The MOSFETs, are burnt, and then most times when this MOSFET go bad, you have the MOSFET drivers around here. Most times you have to check and replace them. Alright, so you can see work is ongoing here. This is the second one here. The same thing. Alright, so the MOSFETs are bad, so they are running tests on the MOSFETs now to check, to identify the ones that are bad and replace them. Then we also go ahead to check the MOSFET drivers. Alright, so